This is your boss mom VA, and I create videos about work from home tips, freelancing lifestyle, and home-based business tips. So if you're interested with these kinds of topic, just keep on watching. So for topic for this video is a type of VA service that you could offer to clients in exchange for profit. And this is lead generation using Instagram hashtags. So if bago ka pa lang sa ating channel and you don't have any idea what is freelancing and general assistant, in general, I do suggest na panoorin mo muna yung aking previous videos about how to start working from home, what is virtual assistant, and what is freelancing para meron kang idea what is I'm talking about. So, if you already have knowledge about freelancing, then proceed to this video. So, this is a type of VA service no, na pwede mong i-offer sa clients para kumita ka monthly or pwedeng part-time, full-time, or freelance. So, lead generation using Instagram hashtags. So, let us define what is lead generation. So, lead generation is the process of generating consumer interest for a product or service with the goal of turning that interest into a sale. In online marketing, this typically involves collecting a visitor's contact information called a lead via a web form. So, typically, itong task na to is more on research and then you will do messaging no dun sa potential lead. So, ang gagawin mo is magre-research ka ng certain topic or certain criteria ng client mo na and then you will message them through Instagram no pwedeng hihikayatin mo sila na mag-buy ng item or do collaboration with the client or etc. no. So this typically is parang iniengganyo mo sila na magka-interest dun sa certain product or service na ino-offer and then eventually magiging customer mo sila or yung parang magiging convert siya sa sale. Okay, so what are the skills required for this task? First is good research skills, then good English skills, but this is non-voice, no? So, more importantly, in writing ka magaling. Then, familiar with using Instagram and hashtags, of course, since ang gagamitin nating social media platform is Instagram. And then, familiar with using software or system, Excel or Google Sheets. So, yung client, depende yan, no? May client na meron silang system na ginagamit. And, gagamitin yung system na yon or software to input yung mga data na magagather mo. Pwede ring Excel yung gamit nila or yung Google Sheets. So, kailangan familiar ka din gamitin yung mga tools na yan. Next is data entry skills or yung simple copy-pasting. Since most of the time, ang gagawin mo dito is to data encode or encoding and then copy and pasting. So, madali lang talaga tong VA service na to. And pwede siya sa lahat, no? Especially for newbies or beginners. What you need to have to start with this task, of course, you need to have a good internet connection since you will be working online. So, working computer or laptop. So, any specs will do for as long as it is working, ano. And smartphone naman is optional, no, if gusto mong gawin yung task through your phone. But this is normally, kailangan, since copy-pasting siya and you need a CRM or system or Excel, so, very important na meron kang computer or laptop. Next is what is your potential earnings for this type of VA service. So you can charge your client, no, especially direct client, ng $5 to $10 per hour. And you can also charge them for a fixed rate. For example, ang sabi ng client mo is, can you do 50 leads per day for a fixed rate of, sabihin lang natin, example lang to is $300 per month. So, hindi ka counted doon sa per hour na gagawin mo, kundi yung sa total leads na magagawa mo per day. So, kunyari 50 leads and then for a month, babayaran ka niya ng $300. So, it's really up to you, no? Ang kagandahan ng freelancer is that you can charge the direct client, no? Kung ano yung sa tingin mong nararapat na rate for that specific task. But for me, I do suggest na gawin mo is per hour since this one is routinary task and medyo mahirap din mag-research, ano? And then, para sa akin, mas mag-earn ka ng potential income if per hour mo i-charge si client for this specific task. But it's really up to you. You can charge them for a fixed rate. Next, who are your target clients? So, sino yung mga clients na naghahanap ng ganitong task? First is yung mga digital marketers or has digital marketing agencies. Yung may mga lead generation business. Next is yung mga e-commerce business owners. Naghahanap sila ng mga ganyan. Salesperson or into sales. And then yung mga entrepreneurs, no? Like yung mga coach, yung mga ganyan. So, makikita nyo or makakahanap kayo ng clients sa mga freelancing websites like onlinejobs.ph, fiverr.com, and upwork.com. Talk about the advantages and disadvantages of this VA service. First, for the advantage muna tayo, flexible schedule. You can do this part-time or freelance. This is a good earning potential since you are earning in dollars. You can do multiple clients, no? So, yun ang kagandahan ng freelancing is that you can serve to multiple clients. 2, 3, 4 clients, pwede mong gawin to ng same task na yon. And then, finally, this is a non-voice task. So, walang calls na involved. So, this is very good sa mga newbies or beginners sa freelancing. Then next naman yung disadvantage of this VA service. Number 1 is time consuming since this is a research task, then magkukonsume talaga siya ng time, no? And mostly yung mga clients na kumukuha nito is hindi naman typically 1 hour lang yung requirement. So kaya sinasabi kong good earning potential siya. Kasi usually 2 hours and above, usually nga full time 8 hours, meron din kumukuha ng mga gantong klase ng service. So, kung i-charge mo sila per hour, then malaki yung iyong earning potential. But the downside is that this is time consuming. And then, the next one is routinary. So, if you're not up dun sa routinary na task, like this one nga kasi research, then data entry, then copy pasting, yun at yun yung gagawin mo using the Instagram na platform. And then, this could be a disadvantage for you. Okay, so yun na yung mga basic na principles or na process na pwede kong i-share sa inyo about this VA service na lead generation using Instagram hashtags. So now, let's proceed to the actual demo of this task. So let's say nakakuha ka na ng client and mag-start ka na sa task. Usually, meron niyang certain criteria na ibibigay sa'yo yung client para gawin mo yung outreach, ano. First, kunyari ito, for example lang, yung client mo is, ang target customer niya is yung merong car dealership. So, ang sabi niya dito is, please use hashtags car dealerships. Get the following info like company name, owner's name, Instagram account, email, phone number, and then website. And then, also, sinabi niya, please like 1 post for each. Please follow the IG account. And then, do the outreach, no? So, meron siyang, typically yung client, meron siyang bibigay sa'yo na template. So, you don't need to worry about it, no? So, ito, papagamit niya yung template. And, yan. So, ang gagamiting CRM or system is itong Google Sheets. So, meron ding tinatawag na yung software talaga silang ginagamit, no? And pwede ring Excel. So, depende yan sa client mo. So, dito, may format na name, Instagram account, email, phone number, website. Pwedeng ikaw gumawa niyan o yung mismong client mo meron na siyang template na ibibigay sa'yo and bibigyan ka niya ng access dyan dito sa Google Sheets na to para ma-edit mo siya. And then, gagamitin mo typically yung Instagram account ng client. So, kunyari, ito yung Instagram account ng client. So, first daw ang gagawin is to use the hashtags car dealerships. For example, ito, i-type mo lang hashtag car dealership, and then i-click mo yan. And then, kunyari, nakakita na tayo ng isang car dealership. So, punta ka dun sa account niya, and then, gagawin mo is to, ang sabi niya, get the company name, Instagram account, email, phone number, and website, and then, 1 like for each, or 1 like sa isang post, no? So, usually, ang gamitin mo is yung recent. So, ang gagawin mo is ilalike mo or iha-heart mo, and then, ifa-follow mo yung account. And then, you can do the outreach, i-message mo siya using yung template na ginamit ng client mo or binigay sa'yo ng client mo. Ito, basic copy-pasting lang. So, very, maganda talaga tong VA service na to sa mga newbies or beginners sa freelancing. So, ayan, then i-click mo lang yung send. So, punta ka ulit dun sa account and ipo-proceed na natin yung magkuha ng mga details or contact information. Like for this one, ito yung kanyang IG account name. Dito mo ilalagay and then ito yung company name. Pwede rin yung name ng mismong owner. And then, for the email, wala siya dito. Usually, nandoon yun sa kanilang website. So, click mo yung website. So, ito yon. Hanapin mo siya usually dito sa Contact Us page. And, ayun. So, ikakopy mo lang. And then, lagay mo sa email. And then, yung phone number is nandito sa Instagram. So, ilalagay mo ulit. And then, the website itself. So, yan. Copy, paste lang talaga yung typically gagawin mo. And then, yung research nga, pagsisearch nung hashtags. So, hindi lang yan palaging ganyan, no? Like, kunyari, titingin tayo sa car dealership. Of course, yung iba, titignan mong maigi kung car dealership ba yung business talaga nun. Kasi yung iba, gumamit lang ng hashtag pero hindi related doon. And also, meron ding criteria yung client. Like, for example, ang gusto niyang car dealerships na makuha mong contact information is based lang sa USA, Canada, and Australia. So, for this one, kunyari titignan natin to. So, Nigeria siya, no, NG. So, hindi siya kasama. So, hindi mo siya pwedeng ilagay doon sa sheets. Since hindi ito pasok dun sa criteria ng client mo. So, typically, ganun lang yung gagawin mo, no? Use the hashtags, and then like a post, isang post doon sa per IG account, and then i-follow mo sila, and then i-message mo using yung template na bigay sa'yo ng client mo. And that's it. Yun lang yung gagawin mo everyday. Or depende sa usapan nyo ng client. And minsan is that may limitation yung Instagram, ano? So, hindi ka pwedeng mag-message and mag-like and follow sa Instagram since ililimit niya yung ginagawa mo. So, basically, ang ginagawa ko, 10 to 20 lang per hour. Then, may interval, mga 1 to 2 hours, then tsaka ka pa ulit magfa-follow, magla-like, and then magme-message. Kasi si Instagram, na-detect niya yan kung nag-i-spam. So, naputol tayo, no? So, as what I'm saying is that hindi ka pwedeng mag-spam dito sa Instagram, no? So, kaya, ang gagawin mo is, kailangan may interval, no? Kailangan 10 to 20 lang na follows and messages ang pwede mong gawin per hour, and then do the interval so that hindi mababa yung account ng client mo. So, typically kasi ganyan yung ginagawa ng Instagram, and because na-detect nila yung spamming. And kapag sa mga templates naman, you will do the outreach, no, via messaging. Pwede mong i-edit, like dito ginamit niya, hello guys. Sa next mo na, sa first 10, yan yung gagamitin mong template. Then, i-edit mo sa next 16 to 20 na IG, no? IG account. So, gagawin mo siyang, hi guys, o hi there, mga ganon. So, para lang hindi ma-detect na spamming. So, be careful na hindi maban yung account ng client kasi it's very mahirap naman na yung kanyang kinaiingatan na account is mababan dahil lang sa spamming. And you need also to be aware and inform the client. And for sure, alam din ng client niya, no? So, sasabihin niya sa'yo na interval, gagawin mo ganito, like 10 lang per hour muna, and then the next is another 20 for the next few hours. So, ganun lang. Ganun lang kadali and kasimple ang task na to, no, VA service. And magagawa mo to ng part-time, kagaya nga na sinabi ko, and you can charge your client for as low as $5 per hour for this specific task. Today's video, thanks for watching guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell para lagi kang notified pag meron tayong mga bagong video. Also, I'm in Facebook page, Boss Mom VA, and meron din tayong TikTok account, no, Boss Mom VA din. So, pwede nyo rin akong i-follow dyan. I post a lot of contents there na makakatulong sa inyo with regards to freelancing in general. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now!